Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to the Nature Pulse channel. I'm Khaleesi, your guide to the most beautiful and awe-inspiring natural spots around the world. Today, we're stepping away from the tourist-packed destinations and discovering some hidden gems in nature that will take your breath away. These are the places where you can escape the crowds, connect with nature, and experience true tranquility. Let's dive into these incredible off-the-beaten-path locations.
Whistling that melody, life's a romance. Walking with the beats, my soul's getting high. Rhythms in the pavement, reaching for the sky. Life's a smooth cadence, no need to fly.
First up, we have Playa del Amor, also known as the Hidden Beach of Mexico. Tucked away in the Marietas Islands, this secluded beach is a natural wonder, only accessible by boat. Imagine snorkeling through crystal-clear waters or simply soaking up the sun in this hidden cove, surrounded by towering cliffs. Playa del Amor gives you the ultimate peaceful beach experience, far from the usual tourist spots. The beach is hidden inside a collapsed crater, creating a secret paradise. If you're an adventure seeker or a nature lover, this should be on your travel list. You can book an eco-friendly tour to explore this area and enjoy its natural beauty. And I've linked some awesome guided tours in the description below through my Get Your Guide affiliate links, so be sure to check them out. Our next hidden gem takes us to the picturesque village of Hallstatt, Austria. Set against the backdrop of towering mountains and a crystal-clear lake, Hallstatt is straight out of a fairy tale. What makes this village so special is its charming, peaceful atmosphere and stunning natural surroundings. Whether you're exploring the ancient salt mines or hiking the trails around the lake, Hallstatt offers the perfect escape into nature. Though small, Hallstatt is rich in history and culture, and if you're a fan of hiking, the trails here will blow your mind with their panoramic views. It's the kind of place that makes you feel like time has stopped, allowing you to truly relax and enjoy the moment. If you're ready to experience the serene beauty of Hallstatt, don't forget to check the guided tours and experiences I've linked below.
Me if you can, spin me round like a ceiling fan. Oh, I fall every time you call. Love again, you're my curtain call. Stumbled through the highs and lows, rewind the tapes, the story grows. Hearts beating like a grand parade. In your eyes I've got it made. Under stars our faith restores. Every moment like an open door. Weaving dreams in the midnight air. Love again without a care. Oh, love again, catch me if you can. Spin me around like a ceiling fan. Every time you call, love again, you're my curtain call.
Next, let's venture deep into the heart of nature. Germany's Black Forest. Famous for its dense woods, enchanting atmosphere, and endless hiking trails, the Black Forest is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. It's the perfect place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with the wilderness. The forest is filled with lush greenery, hidden waterfalls, and wildlife. Every corner feels like stepping into a magical woodland. There are so many hidden paths to explore, making it feel like you're discovering something new at every turn. Whether you're hiking, bird watching, or simply taking in the fresh air, The Black Forest is an unforgettable experience. I've listed some amazing hiking tours in the description, so check them out and start planning your forest escape.
I'll fall every time you call. Love again, you're my curtain call.
Moonlight, shadows through the tango. Maps in my head ain't from the dictionary. Adventures hidden, never nothing and go. Treasures buried deep in life's itinerary. Whispers in alleys, codes and graffiti. Urban jungle dance, hunt secrets in motion. Clues in the cracks of concrete graffiti. Whirlwinds of wonder, stirred up devotion. Hidden gems in the ordinary scene. Camouflaged quests, stories unforeseen. Uncover truths in the in-between. Adventures cloak mystery machine.
From forests to the desert, our next stop is the Siwa Oasis in Egypt. Nestled in the vast desert, this oasis is a refreshing escape where palm trees, natural springs, and ancient ruins await. Siwa offers a unique combination of desert adventure and relaxation. You can explore the surrounding dunes on a camel trek, swim in clear springs, or even explore ancient temples hidden in the sands. It's a place that feels both ancient and untouched by time. If you're a fan of stargazing, the desert skies here are some of the clearest in the world, perfect for spotting constellations. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Siwa has it all. Be sure to check out the camel tours and desert experiences I've linked below to make the most of your visit.
Puzzle pieces fit just out of view. Hidden exploits dance just out of sight. Decode the daylight, escapades anew.
And finally, we end our journey with a true hidden gem, Kuang Si Falls in Laos. This stunning multi-tiered waterfall is located deep in the jungle, surrounded by lush greenery. The turquoise pools formed by the waterfall are perfect for swimming, offering a cool escape from the tropical heat. The hike to the falls is short but rewarding, and the serene setting makes it feel like you've discovered your own personal paradise. If you love the idea of finding a peaceful spot in nature, away from the noise and crowds, Kuang Si Falls is a must-see. You can easily spend a day here swimming, hiking, or simply taking in the beauty of the jungle. I've included links below for guided tours to Kuang Si Falls, so you can start planning your adventure today.
On the logs, echoes of the past. But we live it now, gotta make it last. Bonfire roaring, telling stories to the dawn. Machete swinging legends now long gone. Pads of feet on midnight ground. Nature's hum, the only sound. Knives and mints tossed aside. Just good times at our lakeside ride. Smoke rise in column like prayers to the skies. Myths and horror flicks and exaggeration's eyes. Grill sizzle, laughter bridges night. Nothing eerie here, just laid back delight. Camp Crystal, where the legends collide. Ghosts of horror, but they can't taint the vibe. Snuck by the flames, watching stars collide. Underneath the whispers, no need to hide. Camp Crystal, where the legends collide. Ghosts of horror, but they can't taint the vibe. Snuck by the flames, watching stars collide. Underneath the whispers, no need to hide.
Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover some of the world's best hidden travel gems. If you're ready to start planning your next nature escape, Be sure to check out the affiliate links in the description for tours, guides, and experiences that will make your adventure unforgettable. I'm Khaleesi, and this is Nature Pulse. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration, and until next time, let's keep exploring.